You know, sometimes cooking is not just about food. It's about everything going on in your mind. Today, I decided to make fish pie. Not really because I was craving it that much, because I needed a moment to just slow down. I started by preparing everything, cutting, mixing, seasoning, and honestly, at first, my mind was still very busy. I was thinking about work, thinking about money, thinking about where I'm going in life. You know those moments where everything just feels, what am I really doing? But as I keep going, something changed. Mixing the ingredients became calming. Arranging everything started to feel peaceful. It's funny how sometimes simple as cooking can make you feel a little more in control. And while I was making this fish pie, I realized something: not everything in life has to be figured out at once. Sometimes you just have to take things step by step, just like a recipe. You don't rush it, you don't skip the process. You just trust that everything will come out together, even when it does not work perfect at first. So I keep going, layer by layer, step by step, until finally it was ready for the oven. That moment right there felt like a small win, because it is not just about the fish pie. It's about showing up, doing something for yourself, and finishing what you started. And when it finally came out of the oven, golden, warm, and smelling so good, I just smiled. Because in that moment, everything felt okay. So, yeah, this is my fish pie. Not perfect, but made with patience and a little bit of peace. You know what's funny? If you saw me from the outside, you will probably just think, oh, she's just making fish pie. But for me, it was more than that. It was me choosing to slow down, me choosing to take care of myself, even in smallest way, because it's not every day that is loud. Not every day is big win and celebrations. Sometimes some days are just quite simple and soft, and those days matters too, because those are the days that prepare you for everything else. So friends, if you have watched to this point, do well to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow for more. So as I plated the fish pie, I was not just thinking about how it tastes, I was thinking about how far I have come, how I keep showing up for myself, even when I don't feel like it. And honestly, that's something to be proud of.